Chart with upwards trend, US30, Dow Jones, technical outlook and trade plan. US equity benchmarks ended mixed on Thursday, with sentiment weighed down by renewed criticism from President Donald Trump targeting Fed Chair Jerome Powell, as he called for interest rate cuts to boost the economy. Amidst policy uncertainty and growing macroeconomic concerns, the Dow Jones US30 continues to hover near key technical zones, setting the stage for potential volatility in the week ahead. Right magnifying glass, market summary, the Dow closed mixed, reflecting investor hesitation as rate cut expectations clashed with economic resilience. Market sentiment remains fragile and sensitive to US political developments, Fed commentary, and macro data. Chart with downwards trend, technical outlook, bias, neutral, volatility risk, high, due to news sensitivity, reversed small red triangle, downside scenario. If price drops on Monday, the key support zone lies between 38,650 to 38,400. Action plan, switch to lower time frames M15H1, once price enters this zone. If price shows bullish price action or rejection wicks from below, it offers a buying opportunity. If the zone fails to hold and price breaks below 38,400 with volume, a short position may be considered, targeting lower levels. Small red triangle, intraday sell zones, scalping opportunities, 39,670 to 39,700, 40,100 to 40,200. These zones are potential resistance areas. If price approaches them and shows rejection candles, for example, pin bars, bearish engulfing, on lower time frames, day traders can aim for 200 to 300 point shorts. Ideal for quick, scalp to intraday trades, especially during low volume or post-news spikes.